It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last video, so I'm here to give you guys some updates and what is going on. So later this week I have a couple of DIYs for you guys, but for now let me give you guys some updates. As you guys can see or notice, probably I am in a new garage. So here's my back room of the garage. It's a single car garage. I got a back room, little mini fridge with rack for my stuff, my tools, and of course jack stands. It's nothing too crazy. Gives me a little more room to work with the cars and everything. G35 here, we'll get to that in the updates as to why the bumper is off and all that good stuff. And also we got some room over here for maybe a couch or something. Walk you guys out here. The Q60 sitting out here in the sun, baking in this Texas heat. So apart from that, I have a dog kennel back there that always makes some really good noises. Well, here's dogs barking in the morning until noon when they put them inside. So apart from that, back in here, we're going to talk about this box that's here from Z1. So let me give you a backstory before we get to opening this humongous box. I'm sure you guys can probably figure out what it is already, but I went on a road trip not long ago and my bumper was damaged. It was already kind of flat, you know, it was flopping back and forth. It had some damage when I bought the vehicle initially, so maybe it's time to just, you know, get a new bumper for it because I didn't want to fly it off on the road. I didn't have any fender liners, I didn't have an under shroud, so I said, you know what, it's time to order these things and get that handled. So today what we're actually working on is actually I removed the bumper and everything to get that installed, but of course we got to get it painted. So let's go ahead and open this box. There's a couple more things in here that I also am gonna show you guys, but for now give me a second and let me open this box. So another box. Looks like the right bumper. Yes. New front bumper that's going out for paint here pretty soon. This box right here looks like we have the new metal Z1 under shroud, and in this box right here we have a few goodies, including spark plugs, Pcv valves, and we also have a, part of my mess over here, we have a fender liner. Turns out that I need to order the other side fender liner, and I need to order all of the hardware required for this entire kit, so I'll be ordering those pretty soon. Those things are not cheap, they're like $70 a piece, so we'll get that ordered up here pretty soon, and we should be on our way. But otherwise than that, guys, I am really excited to get a new bumper on this thing. It should look nicely. I wish these headlights look a lot better, but you know what, gonna leave it as is. If somebody in the Dallas area wants to restore my headlights, please hit me up in the comments, DM on Instagram. Be happy to pay for someone to make these a little bit better than they are right now, so please hit me up. So let's tear apart through this little box that we have here. Of course, we have 6 brand new plugs for the HR model. Those will be going in today. I ordered a set of Pcv valves for this car, thinking I needed 2. This car only really takes 1, and I didn't know the EPS kit had already a new one in it. So I'm just gonna keep these in case anyone ever needs them. Of course, we got the Z1 air freshener. Can't go wrong with that. That's staying on the car. We also have O-rings for the Pcv valves. I ordered 2 of those. I'm gonna put those to the side here for a second, along with the Pcv valves. We have a new magnetic oil drain plug from Z1. I always wanted one of these with the blue Zyno on there, so can't wait to put that on there. We also have, what is this? Under shroud hardware kit. Okay, so that goes with that. I did not expect it to have brand new hardware. Wow, thank you guys. That's sick. I'm pretty happy with that. Here's the other under shroud, or the other Pcv valve, and I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's it. Man, I was looking for more car parts in here. There's nothing else in here. So there we have it, guys. Some updates on the G35. New plugs. I just installed this EPS kit, the EPS breather kit for the PCV system. That's going on in a future video by the time you see this video. Just want to give you guys some quick updates as to what's going on. I also ordered a set of resonating test pipes. So I like the way ISR resonant test pipe sounds with the arc exhaust. It's a setup that I used to have on my Q53.7. So that's also going on here. Unfortunately, they're on back order, but I will be installing them as soon as they get here. It's time for some loud. This exhaust is a little too quiet for me right now. So let's take it up a notch and make it a little loud again. And of course, we're gonna get tuned. And of course, we're gonna get some admin tuning intakes. Those are 6 weeks out current build time. So I have to place an order online and get those installed. But the only thing with those is if you install them, you need to tune the car right away. You can't really, they're 3-inch intakes, so the car doesn't run properly. So with that being said, I will be ordering those and getting a tune sometime in the very near future. But for right now, let's go ahead and get this bumper painted. And yeah, hopefully these test pipes get here soon, because I really want to start driving this car more. I'm falling in love with the way this car drives compared to the Q60. Not to knock the Q60, that's still my baby. I actually took a subscriber out for a ride the other day. We're part of the light here. And this thing was on rails. I mean, I'm actually getting some logs back to AMS today to get the car all happy and tuned up, finished. But yeah, here she goes. She's come a long way. I've done a lot of maintenance on this thing, replaced a lot of parts to get it to where it's at today. And it's nothing, you know, this is not a build. This is just my daily that I'm doing a couple things here and there to make it and seem a little better than it was before. So otherwise than that, guys, this is just a short update video for you guys. FedEx just happened to roll by as I was finishing up another video, so I was able to get that. The parts literally just got here. So thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching the channel. So like, share, subscribe, comment below. That all helps the channel out tremendously, especially getting these parts to make these videos. So thank you for your support. See you guys in the next video.